Today we're going to be making a Bluetooth light system that uses Arduino and the Arduino Bluetooth sensor, as well as an Android app to be able to remotely control a set of light bulbs from your phone. The parts we're going to need for today are an Arduino, a breadboard, some wires, 2 light bulbs, a relay board, and as I mentioned before, the Arduino Bluetooth module. Here is a diagram of how the circuit should look like. Feel free to pause the video and make the connections. Now that we're done making the connections, it's time to start coding. The first bit of coding will be done on the Arduino IDE, so write this code down. Feel free to pause the video. There's a little more which I'll scroll through, and you can write that all down. Feel free to pause the video and get that all copied down. Now that we've finished the Arduino part of it, we have to now make the Bluetooth app. And for that, that'll be done on the MIT App Inventor software. Here's the MIT App Inventor. And if you just put that into Google, just click the first link. And up here, click on Create Apps. And I'm signed in, but you'll probably have to create an account and sign in. And once you do that, you can just basically drag and drop your buttons or your checkboxes and stuff like that. And challenge for you, just come up with something like this. This Bluetooth button will be the Bluetooth client. And there's a couple of other buttons, 1, 2, 3, 4. One button for light 1 on, one button for light 1 off, one button for light 2 on, one button for light 2 off. And also these labels, these are also things you can drag and drop. And this is just the front end, and that's what's designer. And if you click on blocks, this is the code that this will have to be done with. And this code is block code. So if you look here, you'll be able to find which blocks to put in, and then basically just copy this down. And that should be it. Feel free to pause the video to do all of that. Now, once you've done that, look up here, click build. It'll be Android APK app.apk, and click on this. This will be an Android only app, so it'll only work for Android devices. And as this is working, so how this project works is you'll be able to click on off from your phone, and it should turn on and off the corresponding light with the Arduino. And you'll have to, before running the app, you'll have to connect via Bluetooth to the Bluetooth device, the Bluetooth module, and that's called HC05. And if I click on Android APK once again, you'll get a screen that looks like this, and you can use your camera app on your phone to scan this QR code, and it'll direct you to a link to download this. The phone and the app downloading might be a little bit delayed because the phone might think that this is a virus app or a sketchy app, but just let it download. If it says that it's not going to download it because it thinks it's a virus, just check in your settings and tell it, just enable that setting that says you can download things from web. And then once you finish downloading it, check on your phone itself and turn on Bluetooth, and then plug in your Arduino and run your code. And once you run your code, you'll be able to use the Bluetooth app, and you'll be able to control those lights. Now, once you're connected to Bluetooth with HC05, then what you're going to want to do is click the Bluetooth button and click the first thing you see there. That should be the address of your device, and that's how you know, that's how the app knows to connect to that device. And once it's done that, then you can start clicking on and off, and those lights should start turning on and off. I'll show a video of this demonstration after this. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this explanation and this project was helpful and fun. And leave any questions you have or comments you have down in the comment section. And stay tuned for the next video. Bye.